Whee! Three or five something off to Terminal 5, and another Heathrow Express also off to Terminal 5. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first train spotting video of 2023. And new stars here at Hanwell. It's Great Western Mainline fun this again. Let's see what else decides to make its rainbow onto the Great Western Mainline today. Okay, the next train to pass by, Great Western Railway IET, going into London Paddington. Operated by a pairing of Class 800s. No idea where the numbers are, because they're all going at 125 through here. It is windy as well. Okay, the next train to pass by will be an Elizabeth line fast service going to Reading. Three 45016. Moving from Abbey Wood to Reading. And the next train to make an appearance will be Great Western Railway fast service going into London Paddington. (800) 014. Okay, our first stopping train of the day is going to be the 10:25, the Elizabeth line service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. From, I think this has come from Terminal 4. This particular service is being operated by 345047. You gonna stop just there? And stoppity. As also about to pass by on the fast lines will be a Heathrow Express Class 387 going from Terminal 5 to London Paddington. (134) and 141, as this 345 is now heading off to Abbey Wood. So let's put the camera down there. Quite busy, that train. Quite a lot of people on board. Okay, the next train to pull in will be an Elizabeth line service going towards Terminal 4 from Abbey Wood, operated by 345027. And stop. It's starting to move, and then when they get like out of shot, spin it the other way. Yeah, that's what I thought, love. And off she goes to Terminal 4. Some things are coming. Heathrow Express off to Terminal 5. as a 345 is also making its way through, heading to Abbey Wood from Reading. .345.013 with a nice two-tone for the driver there. Even though I don't think that was for me, I think that was the people not standing behind the yellow line. Well, with nothing really expected for the next 10 minutes or so on the fast line, we're going to end it here from Hanwell. Thank you all very much for watching the first video of 2023. Even though it's not going to be released until about February. Until the next time, if you have been, thanks very, very much for watching.